Hey everybody, today we're gonna be making an unboxing video of something that I got from my book fair. This. And now I'm gonna open the box. And I don't know. Okay, that sounds pretty annoying. So sorry. No, I can't open this. Anyway, no. It's gonna rip open. But I need to get my diet and you could watch this. Yeah. Okay, so bye, I'm abandoning you. I'm abandoning you, bye. I'm coming back, guys. What's that? Can you open this? I'm not abandoning you for too long.
You give me a knife.
Knife?
Give me a knife.
Okay. My kitchen. Don't touch knives, kids like me. They're really soft to cut you. Well, my dad's doing that. We're gonna dance. Yeah. What's your touch me so quick? Yeah. Box is opened. Whoa. Cups. Of course, we need cups for our customers. I hear something. Ow! And this sprinkles. Little voices. Here's our slime. More slime. And there's one more slime. No, two more. Stickers so you can decorate our cups. And whoa, it's pretty good. Right. So first we're gonna decorate our cups. 2 cups for 2 people. It don't really look like the same kind of slime on the picture. See? Don't really look like this. Oh, look, you can take it out. Oh, no, you can't. Okay, so I think I know what these are. I think they're not supposed to. These are not stickers, because there's no why. You get to see this. So I'm just gonna get something, guys. Squishy. Oh, squishy. Squish. 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 The purple one's my favorite. Squish. 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 Ew. Lick. I don't know what to do with these.
recorded with birth, death, and marriages.
I probably
BBM,
forgot
if
it
we
would
have
have gotten the
not
video
disposed the
up.
you see, the desolation is written in there.
Okay, I'm just going in the kitchen.
Mm.
Yo, kitchen. Again? What? Again? Yeah. No, not there. I need to go quick, or else this video will be way too long.
See, in my marriage certificate is written here desolation. That is in this New Zealand desolation.
I'm just gonna grab this. And
It's written
you
there
come with
desolation
me,
of the
please.
divorce, like in
Yeah.
See, it's written here.
So, here's my stuff. It must be in here, the bucket. And you never watched my video before. See that? You hear that, guys? Can I go right? Slink. I'm a happy Slinky. I know I'm going to get. Now, I can't say. Well, I think this video is kind of getting boring, so you see what I'm doing to all of my stuff. So it won't be boring. Boo. Boring for boo kids. And I'm not a boo kid. Yay. Now I'm going to pick somewhere else. Hello, Dad. Dad, say hi to everybody.
X?
Say hi to everybody.
Nah, I don't want to.
Where? Doc. Hello, Mum. So, where? My mum's room. I don't know where the bucket is. I just have to find the random bucket. And definitely not my lunchbox. Would this work? Oh yeah, so would work. So close the door and now we can get back to doing what we want to do. What we want to do. I'm going to show my Papa. Stay. Yeah. So now slime, pink slime foot. I completely forgot the scissors. Nope. Snip, 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 scissors. Okay, so no, just go to slime. I just put snip, snip, snip. What kind of slime is this? Oh, I think this is normal slime, which I never felt before. I never felt this slime before. That's amazing. I get real new slime. Or maybe this is not slime. It's really stretchy, so it must be slime. Definitely not So guys, we're gonna record the blue slime in the next video. But today we're recording purple. And this is also my second favorite color. My third favorite color. It's glassy purple. If it was sparkly, I would love it. Is this slime? I don't know. Or this slime that drips. Oh no, just do a bit of slime. Can't miss any slime. Because if I miss any slime when I put it down here, you'll be like, Esther, more slime, I'm crying. Yeah. No. Get out, slime. I said get out. Get out, ugly slime. You're gonna be ugly if you don't get out. Finally. Slime. Enough! Where is it? Where is my slime? Where? No, don't sit. Don't destroy the carpet. No. Slime keeps flicking. No. I think this is not the messy faucet because it goes. And I know it's not supposed to be messy. Now we're gonna move on to making. Making ice cream. Okay, guys, ice cream. So I want to run the ice cream coming right up, invisible girl. I'm making my own ice cream. No time to make, so I can eat. I want mermaid. This match fun because my ice cream is purple. No, naughty slime, so naughty. Naughty mermaid, don't fly out. I'm just eating you for my slime. Get that. Put this. No feeling? Yay. No. I need to save some of this for the blue one. No. Okay, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So now we can mix. No. Dabbing. I need some sprinkles. Now take some space for the sprinkles. Now mix, mix, mix. Now, no falling. You're not allowed to fall. Now I got. Save some for the next video. This was completely a bad idea. Ah! Wow, look at my ice cream. This looks yum, guys, but I just need some pink outs. Of course, straw. Now I'm choosing pink, because pink, I love it. I like pink, but I love glossy and sparkly pink. Nope. Should this be a drink or ice cream? Right. Wait, I think I know what that's for now. So let me just get it. No, where did it go? There. Oh, my God. Oh. Ah, fuck. Get out. This. This. I'm gonna put this here. So this gonna go on with it. And start the same. Okay, this is the best I could do. So bye guys. This is enough time we have for today. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this a like and subscribe. Bye.